Hello my fae, welcome to MaiMoments, the best channel for makeup and hair tutorial and also products review. Today I'm going to share with you how to create this Lady Gaga hairstyle at the inaugurations. It is super cute, and instead I'm going to add some ribbon on my hair. I'm just going to let it that way because you can definitely wear and rock everyday look if you wish it to. So let's get started. So my hair right now have been like 3 or 4 days old, so definitely I'm going to add some of the dry shampoo, especially toward the front right here, to soak up like some of my oily part. What I like to do is divide my hair into sections, and using a dry shampoo and spray where it needed to, then wait a minute and then part in another section, especially the front. Repeat this step until I am satisfied. And then I'm going to rub it in. This is going to help me get more volume, and it's also going to help me soak up all the oil and leaving my hair smell fresh and elegant instead of knowing it is dirty. So just letting you know, if you want to style your hair and also curl it, the best is actually to do the second day. You definitely need those texture and the oil in order for it to hold. If your hair is like sleekly smooth and also clean, it's really hard to style, and that's why there's some like texture hairspray for that purpose. So I'm just going to rub it in, and definitely you see there's more volumes, and that's what we want also. Next, I'm going to divide my hair in half, and you are definitely welcome to use either a comb, or in this instance I did use a pimple popper since I cannot find my comb, and every single time when I do my hair it's always happen. So I'm going to try my best and without any mirror, and I'm going to divide in half. If you have somebody there, then use them because it's very important. As you can see, my hair is have a loose curl because I actually curled my hair 2 days ago. And so I'm just going to brush it out like this. Okay. And then I'm going to also work on the other side. If you have long hair and you try to brush your hair, I do recommend this method. Try to actually comb it out toward the end and gradually work toward the middles and also at the end, because it's getting really tangled, and if you're trying to comb it out in the roots, you're going to cause a lot of hair damage. To target all my flyaway and my baby hair, I'm just going to use a hairspray and spray right into this comb, and then I'm going to comb it out. This is going to give an even distribute, and also it get every string of hair that I need it to. And then go ahead and use an elastic or a hair tie. Just tie the part of your hair and you're not working back, so you can focus on the other one. So I end up going to demonstrate you on the right side first, and I'm using my thumb and just go straight forward to divide my hair in half. As you can see here, you don't have to be perfect, but if you want to, you are definitely welcome to use a comb. Next, what I'm going to do is working on the back section first. I'm going to do a twisting motions outward, as you can see that is going to face toward the back, and keep doing that. Repeat this step, and gradually you're going to grab the part of the front and twist it the same way as you twisted before, and keep going to that. And as you can see, I'm keep twisting it. And it's very important that you're going to do this tightly as possible. Your hand definitely going to get tired, but don't stop. If you want to be perfect and precise, keep doing that and be consistent. Since my hair is so long, I'm just going to stand up and demonstrate for you. Just repeat this step until you reach to the end and you cannot reach anymore. You definitely have to work at it and keep doing it until you reach to the bottom. Use an elastic to secure it all together so your hair will not shift and move anywhere. So now I'm going to demonstrate on the left side. As you can see, I already divide my hair in half. In the front portion, I'm going to swoop it back, and on the back portion, now I'm going to twist, and then I'm going to trace sections. So I'm going to twist backward, or as you can think, that's my fingers on the right side. I'm just basically creating a twist inward, then switch with my other hand and keep doing that until you reach the bottom. And I want to show you that in case of your braid get messed up, you can release it and do it again as you need it to, and make sure that you're going to twist this secure and tightly as possible, so toward the end it will definitely work out. Then I'm going to grab 2 braid and actually twist it inward, as you can see here, to make the braid even tighter. You definitely need to know where the direction is in order to make this make sense. This part is a little bit difficult since my hair is black and it's hard to see. What are you doing is actually press your 2 braid up, creating a headband, and then I'm just going to cross it like this and place it on the front of the braid, not on the back. You definitely want to secure it, so using this method it will help. And how we handle the excess of hair in the back, I'm going to cross it again like this. I want to apologize in advance that this part is a little bit hard to see, but what I'm doing here is grabbing a bobby pin and actually secure the excess under those braids, because we definitely want to hide imperfections. Before I'm moving on to the next step, I definitely want to do the same to the other side. And as you can see that my right side still have a stick out, but that does not matter. Now this is the important part, is that I'm going to loop my fingers under those braids that we have already braided. Now I'm just going to get a bobby pin and try to tuck everything under those braids and secure with a bobby pin. The point of doing updo or any kind of hairstyle, you don't want to show the elastic or anything that holding it. That's why we definitely have to use this method and tuck it away. And I'm going to repeat the same process as the other side, tuck it under and secure with a bobby pin. And majority of the time whenever you do your hair, you gotta feel it with your fingers. That is the best part of doing your hairs. This is actually my favorite part when it's come to braiding, is actually tuck and pull, and I just want to make sure it's going to look proportioned and even on both sides. And try your best, don't pull too much, just letting you know. This is optional, but I'm digging this hairstyle that I'm going to pull some part of my hair around my hairline, and then I'm going to curl it because I don't want to look so empty in front of my face and I want to add some dimension. If you want your hair to last the whole day, you definitely need to secure with enough bobby pins and try to hide it as much as possible when you secure it. So if your hair is kind of like blonde, don't use black bobby pin, try to use the blonde colors. I'm going to use this curl to curl the part of my bang, and actually I'm going to face it outward. I don't actually try to curl it inward because it's going to look way better, and it's also complement your face structures. Any type of hairdo you want to look sleek and beautiful, add a lot of hairspray. I'm telling you, whatever I'm using right now is not enough. You're going to use like half a bottle if you really want your hair to stay nice and not fly away, especially if you're having a wedding outdoor. Here's the final look, and I definitely want you to see from the side and also the front view. Since my camera is pretty hard to pick up as I'm over here working at it, they over here capturing my hands instead. So here is the final look also on the right side. It looks super elegant, and you can definitely wear this to proms, anywhere that you're gonna go and look fancy. I mean, it is so worth it and super easy too. I say that you can able to achieve this hairstyle less than 10 minutes. Finally, after mini tape, this is the most decent one that you can definitely see what's going on. Other time, I do apologize, but here it is, and it's really amazing hairdo. I hope you found this video helpful. There's another 2 videos waiting for you to click. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell for more notifications, and as always, love yourself, stay motivated, peace out.